In this Go High Level review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Go High Level. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Go High Level. Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing CRM. This is what you should see once you've actually first signed up or even first logged in. Overall, there's a lot going on, not too much going on and not too complicated for any beginners, but it does look really professional. I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So up here in the top left hand corner is the Go High Level logo. This isn't actually clickable like most softwares, so you can't click it and go back to the main page. Right below that you can click here to switch if you want to switch. Below that you have the agency dashboard, which we are on right now. Below that you have the sub accounts, then the account snapshots, then the reselling, the marketplace, affiliate portal, partners, university, SaaS education, and ideas at the bottom. All the way at the bottom left you have the settings section, and if you click on that it should take you to the settings area. This main page is where all of those areas would be listed. Up in the top right hand corner you have any view channel log. To the right of that you have notifications. To the right of that you have need help if you need any help. And then finally you have your account all the way in the top right hand corner. So that's pretty much all of the features, and now I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So right here on the main agency dashboard page we have the revenue from last month, monthly recurring revenue, customers in Stripe, new customers this month, and other things like that. As you can see, there are some faded out numbers on these analytics. That is because we haven't actually connected Stripe yet. These are just faint numbers just to show you where everything would be and how everything would look within the software. You can go ahead and connect your Stripe on your own terms, and then your numbers should show up on this software. Right here you have your revenue distribution. Again, the Stripe software should give the analytics for this, and then the software itself should put it into a little graph like that. To the right of that you have the growth in the last 6 months, and then again you have to connect Stripe for you to see that with your own numbers. So right down here is the SaaS mode. You can actually upgrade that now, however we're not on that part yet, so we're not going to go on to that. Back to the left hand side on the sub account section right below the agency dashboard, once you click on that it should take you to this page. This is where you can actually see your account itself, what you've named it, and your phone number. You can actually add a new sub account if you wish to do so, and then once you click on the add sub account it should take you to this page where you can actually add your snapshot template. You can go through these. This one is actually paid for. You have a blank one, and then loads of other templates if you want to do that. We're not going to do that for now, so we are going to click cancel. So that's pretty much it for the sub accounts page. You just search the location for anyone, and then again they just appear here right below you. Moving on back to the left hand side, right below the sub accounts we have the account snapshots. Once you click on the account snapshots you can actually use these account snapshots across the software. We have the vertical snapshots, the owned snapshots, and the imported snapshots. Right now we have 19 vertical ones, 0 owned and 0 imported because we haven't actually owned any or even imported any. Right here you can go through these kind of like that other section. You can select to create a new account if you want, or even click no more. You have attorney snapshot, auto dealer snapshot, and other like that, with all different sectors and different types of areas within the software. So you can go through these and see which one correlates with you the best, and then make your decision on your own and add one of these to your account. Moving on back to the left hand side we have the reselling area right below the account snapshot section. Once you go ahead and click on the reselling section, this is actually new, it should take you to this page where it is all faded out. This is because, again, like the dashboard page, you do need to connect Stripe to actually go onto this page, and this is where you'd actually go ahead and resell anything through your Stripe account. So right here we can see in the background you can actually have Yext reselling or even WordPress reselling. It gives you all the pricing and all the plans here, and then building up your offers and stuff like that. It gives you all the numbers. So that's pretty much it for the reselling section. All you have to do is just connect to your Stripe account, and then that's where you'd move on from there. Back to the left hand side, right below the reselling section is the marketplace section. Once you go ahead and click on the marketplace section, this is where you can actually use the software to its best abilities. You can go ahead and actually have loads of professional services, and then use all of them. So right here you have the services. If you hover over that, you can see you have professional services, GHL setup services, white label mobile and ELISA, and HIPAA compliance. So you can go through these and see which one best suits you if you actually want to start a service. You have funnel tailored services, website tailored services, funnel migration and stuff like that. You can go ahead and go through these and see again which best one correlates you and how you want to actually use the Gohighlevel software on your own terms. You can either speak with them if you want to go ahead and get a reference, or you can just go ahead and learn it on your own terms and kind of set things up on your own terms. Scrolling down, you can actually browse through the services as well and then see what that's about. Right down here at the bottom, it actually tells you what the marketplace is about, whether it's got its expert services, next level design, or even tailored content. Again, you can browse the services and read through this and see if you actually want to use this area in the Gohighlevel software. It tells you why you should partner with them. Again, scrolling down, it says browse all the services they offer. And then finally, it says how does your project coordinator help. And then once you've read through that, you can make your own decision and see if you want to go through any services, and then click speak with them to go through the services. Moving on back to the left hand side, right below the marketplace, we are going to go onto the affiliate portal area now. This is where any pending agreements and payments and contracts would be held. Right here you can see we have the dashboard for this area where this should be an agreement. To the right of that we have any payment details, a payment history to the right of that, invoice history, and then what it's about. On the payment details area, this is where you just put in any information for your payment details, and then for the payment history it just shows you the history of these payments. Invoice history, again pretty much the same thing. It shows you the invoice history of any invoices that run through the software, and then that's pretty much it for that area. Next, moving on to the left hand side onto the partners section, right below the affiliate portal. Once you click on the partners section, you should land on this page, which is actually a cool feature within the Gohighlevel software. Welcome to the High Level Partner Program directory. You can actually search partners in your industry. So if you don't want to actually do any services or anything like that or reselling on your own, you can actually go ahead and find a partner if you don't have one. By clicking this button right here, it takes you to the Find a Partner page, and you can go ahead and find anyone who's on this software to actually partner up with. Interested in becoming a partner? The benefits include, and then it gives you all the benefits right here, whether you're an affiliate or even a partner benefit plus. If you're just on the normal one, you can go ahead and just have this right here to the left hand side. Right here it tells you what it takes to actually become a partner, whether it's an affiliate, a partner, or a certified partner, and any of these you can be a partner on the Gohighlevel software. You can actually apply to become a high level partner right below here, and that's pretty much it for this page. You can just find the partner for your ventures. Back to the left hand side on the university section, you can go ahead and click on that right below the partners area, and once you have clicked on the university section, it should take you to this page. Now pretty much all this is just giving you courses, so the Gohighlevel software is pretty much a university in and of itself. It just has a section where you can actually go ahead and see any courses and go through and learn different skills and features within the software. Right here we've got 10k in 10 days, and you can actually add it to your library and see which courses you want to actually use within the software. So you can go ahead and go through these, see which one best suits you, or you can actually go ahead and do them all or not do any. It's always up to you, and go through the features that you want to do. So right here is where all the courses are, and then if you have any courses yourself, you can just click on my courses and then they would be listed here. Currently I have all the courses right now, but you could go ahead and actually choose between them. Back to this page, you can go onto the SaaS education page now, and once you click on that, it should take you to this page. Now what this page does is just tell you how to get started with SaaS. It's time to automate your profits. You can go ahead and quickly watch this YouTube video to the right of that, and pretty much this page just kind of sells the advertisement to go on SaaS. It just gives you all the features and information on it, and you can scroll through this and again watch the videos on the steps on how to join, and join this if you want to do so. Finally, on the left hand side, moving on to the ideas section right below the SaaS section, you have that ideas section. Once you go ahead and click on it, you can actually go ahead and give feedback on the software. You can give feedback from all of these sections, which have different sections within them, as you can see, and then see the roadmap and what's in progress and what is actually planned for the software. So it is a big community software, and it's a pretty cool feature that you can actually give ideas to the people who make the software on what you want and what would be a huge help to the software itself. And there you go, that is it for the Gohighlevel software review. Overall, I think it's a great software and a really good software in general for marketing CRM. A few features I liked is that you can actually have an agency dashboard and connect it with Stripe and actually see what analytics and numbers are coming through onto your dashboard with ease. It's really simplistic and really minimalistic for beginners, but I also like the features that you can actually have loads and loads of other sections within this software itself. Again, you can have a reselling area, the marketplace, or even any other affiliates or university or courses on this software. It has loads of different features, and personally I like it myself. One of the main features I personally like is how you can go ahead and actually give advice to the software. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. Anyone looking for any of these sections, I'd just recommend them to this software, and they can use that section on its own if they need to. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.